little few minutes early, folks. Got the A330F. And Golf, November, Echo, Whiskey, Golf. Brilliant, brilliant stuff. Be a shame not to, ooh, hold on. Why does it look like it's... Joe Thomas, Greg Hubers, how are you doing? Afternoon, everyone. Right, let me hold on a second, guys. It's just mucking itself about a little bit on there. Oh, no, looks like it's sorted itself out. So, private 737, something that we're not very much used to here. And Denny Malone, Simon Brackett, Michael Painter, afternoon, everyone, folks. 04 operations here at London Stansted Airport. This A330 freighter as well, and in around 25 minutes from now, guys, first MD-11 of the show. We continue and we rock. Brilliant stuff. Different end of operations today, just because of the weather and obviously the wind, but it's looking glorious. This afternoon. Jace, all the mods, welcome along. Cannot believe it's Wednesday afternoon. Beautiful. Brilliant, Jace. Stunning G, this A330F. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Golf Echo Oscar Delta Sierra. G, this A330F. Lovely sounds. Ronnie Zhu, how you doing? Aircraft as well, must be a problem with that. It's currently sat on the tarmac there for a good about 20 minutes so far, so don't know what's currently going on with that aircraft over there. Might lose focus of that as well. Obviously a different place, full of shrubbery and trees. Tree about another 15-20 minutes, folks, for the first MD-11 of the show. Looks like the private terminal as well, folks. There is going to be a hive of activity, and we're going to see something a bit different, obviously, from this end of the airfield. Thank you, Jay. Streaming television, check on iPhone, smashing Wednesday afternoon. Brilliant stuff, mate. Welcome along, everyone, just joining us. As I said, not one of our busiest streams, but always well worth it. Right, so Golf, November, India, Alpha, Bravo. And that Jet 2 aircraft is still stuck on the tarmac over there. It looks like there's a riot behind that, so I'd like to know what's going on. Catherine Rogers, love the sound of that. Hi, Everly, great stream. Chris, thank you, Clive, really appreciate that. Racing fan, we'll get round to the some of the facts of the day a little bit later on. Like we always do. 130 lights, guys. Literally 20 minutes in for Stansted. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Vince G, hi from Alicante. Weather looks beautiful in Essex today. Do you know what? It's absolutely lovely here today. Very, very happy. Finally, it looks like we've got a bit of summer on top of us. Hopefully we might get a bit of a decent summer this year. Fingers crossed.
Golf, Stansted Tower, Golf 1, line up 04. Right, Golf 1, line up 04, calls Richard, Golf.
Let's see if we can stay as well, folks, for the 767s. I know that they're due in for around 10 to 8. So hopefully we'll be in a good position a little bit later on in the stream. Love this. So happy about that A330 freighter that we caught. Right.
6000, contact ground
747 is going to be out around tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning. Always usually is.
Runway 0 to go, surface wind 1208 knots, runway 0 full, clear to take off. Take off 04, close 0 to go.
Tell you what, let's catch this departure and I'll get round to some more of them comments. Welcome along though everyone just joining us folks. 04 here at London Stansted, Wednesday afternoons. Very quiet. I swear the majority of these aircraft on departure weren't even on flight radar, so there's definitely something not right with flight radar. Very quiet. Wayne, any idea how much longer we got for the 767 from Privilege? I'm sure that was around the 5 o'clock mark, wasn't it? I'm sure it was. Beautiful. And if you are patient with Stansted folks, this airport never ever disappoints on a Wednesday. We have such a variety of aircraft.
November 950 Charlie. Sorry, was that 8 Bravo for 0 Charlie. November 950 Charlie Mike, thank you then. Best speed cycle, one line up on bike, runway 04. And from wave runway 04, 0 Charlie. Ryanair 17 Quebec, Quebec. And 17 Quebec, basement. Local team, host runway 04. You are number 1, there will be a departure ahead of you, maybe a late landing clearance. Wind check is 140 degrees 9 knots. Okay, shall we reduce speed now? Yes, please, thank you.
It's very weird. Is that me, folks? Has he got his reversers on? Very good.
November
So
950
November 950 Charlie Mike.
Runway 04, clear for takeoff. Runway 04, clear for takeoff, 950 Charlie.
I'll get round to some more of them comments in a second, folks, as well. Get to outbound, looking really, really busy this afternoon here at Stansted. Just what we like to see. Never ever let down by Stansted on a Wednesday. Schools at the private terminal here. Definitely doesn't like the very nice. Yeah, Focus definitely doesn't like the fuselage. Beautiful stuff. Right, so that should come back all the way here to the private terminal. Mitch Jess, it's not a problem. JB, that I don't know.
121.
that was in from Frankfurt, Richard Day. Beautiful. Now that is one stunning colour scheme for that 7.6. Wow. Stephen Owens, good evening. Chris and all my aviation friends, good evening. Stephen, hope you're doing well. Wow. Top secret flight. So it's on there. Brilliant stuff, guys. 767s. Right, okay. Ah, do you know what then, folks? I wonder if that's pulling up with the terminal, if that's actually coming down here to where the...
one line at 34, subject.
And Craig Russell, the XLTU MD-11, can't wait to see it. And Paul Hill at the MD-11 from due in around 1850. 737 on the taxi. 98.
Is your boat slogan active?
Of course they would.
718, after crossing, left on hotel.
Tree.
After crossing, left on hotel.
Always close, guys.
And a 71 Papa Golf, contact London, 118 decimal 8. Bye.
Lots. And
a 48 Victor Golf, contact London, 118 decimal 8. 48825, run a 48 Victor Golf, bye now.
Beautiful touchdown. Very, very nice. Happy days. Now that's what you want. Nice, very nice. Private jet terminal is going to be very, very busy today with aircraft.